In this video, I'm going to cover how to properly use a ratchet strap. Ratchet straps are super handy, quick to use, very strong, and great for securing cargo very tightly. Now, they might look very complicated, but they're actually pretty straightforward. Now, each ratchet strap will come in two parts. The ratchet side, which consists of the ratchet mechanism along with a short strap and a hook at the end. And the other end has a long tail with a single hook at the end. Now, the way you connect these two parts is you slide the long tail through the middle opening of the ratchet crank wheel. You can see that there is a gap right here in the center of the wheel. So slide the tail through the opening and then pull it back over the top and pull it through. Now, once you secure both ends of the strap by using the hooks at each end, you pull the tail until the strap gets tight. Then you can grab the handle on the ratchet and crank it until you notice that the wheel in the middle begins to curl. And as it curls, it wraps around itself, creating friction and tightening the strap and locking the strap into place. Now, the proper way to use the strap is to get at least one full rotation on the strap so that there is enough friction to hold the strap from slipping while you're driving down the road. This will prevent the straps from coming loose if there are any bumps or vibrations while driving. When using ratchet straps, I like to secure one end onto my vehicle and the other onto the connecting point on the trailer, and then lay the strap flat on the ground. This gives me enough slack that when I ratchet the strap tight, I can get about 2 rotations on the ratchet. If you crank your ratchet strap tight and it looks like this, but there's only about a half or a quarter rotation on the ratchet, you should release the ratchet straps, add a little more slack, and then re-tighten the ratchet straps until you have at least one full rotation of overlap. Releasing the ratchet strap is pretty easy. There are 2 releases on each strap. Locate the rotating handle and release that latch first. And while holding the latch open, rotate the latch all the way open. You will feel it come to a stop. If you press a little bit more, the other side of the ratchet will release. However, in some situations, this does not always work, and you will need to release the other latch with your other hand. Sometimes you need 2 hands to release both latches. As both latches release, the strap will come loose and then you can pull on the ratchet to loosen the straps. Now, there are many different types of ratchet straps with different features, such as length, hook type, thickness, etc. But we will cover these in another video. There you have it. Those are the basics to operating ratchet straps. Now you know how to use a ratchet strap, properly tighten it, and release it. In another video, we will cover proper tie-down techniques, such as how many straps to use, which straps to use, where to run your straps, and proper tie-down techniques. Thanks for watching, guys, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.